Rachael-inspired sushi roll that can be shaped into a burger and a pizza.
Hi Rachel, my name is Jonathan and I am the owner of Wave Asian Bistro and Sushi in Mount Dora, Florida.
Hi Rachel, my name is Chef Lex. I'm the head sushi chef here at Wave Asian Bistro.
Our menu is known for doing crazy and quirky things to sushi, such as making sushi burgers and sushi pizzas.
This is yellowfin tuna. Our fish is the most important part of any sushi. So I'm going to go ahead and break this down. So now we're going to go ahead and make our cuts on our daikon radish. This is going to represent our tomato. And now we're just going to go ahead and go straight down the sides with the tip of our knife, making sure we get all the skin off. So this is tamago, which is a sweet egg omelet. You don't want it too thick because we want it to represent just one single slice of cheese. Of course, every burger has to have a nice piece of lettuce on it. So we're going to use snap cabbage. It's going to pair really good together. It's going to blend in really nicely with the tuna, the tamago, and the daikon radish. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and start preparing our sushi rice. So mix it with a little bit of brown food coloring just to give it that burger bun feel. Now the important part to this is not to over mix it. You don't want to mush your rice. You still want to see those grains. You want to be able to really tell that it's sushi in a burger form. So for our bottom one, we're going to make a little bit flatter but still have that nice rounded edges to it. Looks good to me. So we're going to go ahead and do our top one as well. So we're going to make this one slightly thicker, a little bit more rounded on the top. We'll put it right next to this one. And we'll have our bottom bun and our top bun. So our next step is going to be making the tomatoes. So we have our water that is in this pan. We're going to take some red food coloring and add a couple drops. Now we're going to add our daikon in, push it down, make sure it's covered all the way, and let that soak while we start the next steps. We're going to begin building our sushi roll that's inspired by Rachael Ray. We're going to take a sheet of nori, take the bottom bun, and lay it right across from top to the side. Make sure that's even. Take a piece of nori that I've already cut, place our top bun right on it, making sure we get as close to the edge as possible. Clean up the edge. Lay our daikon down. So we'll take a piece of snap cabbage, lay it down. Take our meat, which is our yellowfin tuna. Give it a nice little shape. And last but not least, we're going to grab our tamago, which is our sweet egg omelet. And then, you guessed it, topping it with our top bun. We're going to go ahead and grab a couple grains of rice and use it as our glue to hold everything together. We're going to pull that up. We're going to take this piece and pull it straight up and go over. And this is a Rachael Ray inspired sushi burger sushi roll. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and start our sushi roll number 2, which is going to be our pizza sushi roll. We have kani sticks, and what we're going to do is literally just kind of give them a little twist. We're going to shred them off really nice. And we're going to add a little bit of Japanese mayo. Then we're going to take our chili sauce, a little less than you did with the Japanese mayo. A really good mix. You'll mix it around, make sure every piece is covered. Now we'll take another piece of our yellowfin tuna. We're gonna go about yay big. So now we're gonna take our daikon radish and take a sheet of our nori, which is our seaweed paper, and wrap the radish. We will take our crust and line it up. The spicy kani and start layering it right onto the crust. We're gonna go ahead and take our tuna ronis and we'll lay one down right to the side. We're going to grab a little bit more of our spicy kani. We're going to cover that piece right up. So lay our second tuna roni down and going to go ahead and cover that up with our spicy kani. We're going to give it a nice little shape, not pushing too hard, but just enough. The kani is really easy to just like fold into whatever shape you need it to, especially when it's shredded like this. Super gently, I'm going to pick this up, move it straight onto our nori. So we're going to fold this piece, not putting too much pressure on it. Fold this up. And this is a Rachael Ray inspired pizza sushi roll.
Rachel, thank you so much for having us. It's been a lot of fun.
And now I'm kind of hungry.
I'm hungry too, so I think we're going to dig in.
I'm going to just go ahead and just